Today we're gonna have another crazy adventure. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I am really getting out of my comfort zone fishing for my kayak. I've never fished from this kayak. To me, it's a little bit small for me, but I think we're gonna make it work. Believe me, I would prefer to have a larger kayak. I'm thinking about buying a kayak, so if you guys have any suggestions on what size, any brand specific stuff, leave me a comment and let me know, guys. I have this kayak sitting in my garage for a minute, and we're gonna get out there and try to catch some bass, guys. We're gonna be throwing some frogs, maybe a Texas rig. We're gonna be up in the shallows trying to catch us some bass under a frog, guys. It's gonna be exciting. Stay tuned. Let's get to it. Let's go fish. Well, we made it to our spot. I'm just loading up my bag. So I'm bringing some of my bandito bugs that I've already got hooked up on my Texas rig, swim bait just in case, and a bunch of my topwaters. This is my first go at kayak fishing, so this is what we're going to be launching at. And we're just going to head around this corner to some lilies, and I'm just going to get to casting, see what you guys can drum up for you. Whew! All right. Just got my just bringing 2 rods. Nothing crazy. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Let's see if this is gonna work out. Grab my oar here. Yeah, we're gonna go with no life jacket today too, guys. I don't know if that's smart, but I didn't feel like running to Academy to grab a small or get a life jacket. So hopefully that doesn't ruin our day. Ooh, that water's nice and lukewarm. Oh boy. Ooh, don't sink. Don't sink. We are off, guys. Man, this thing is unstable at best. Whew. Man, it's nice and light. Nice and light. Not too bad. Not too bad. This is my first stint at kayak fishing, guys. I mean, I can't imagine setting a hook in this thing. So far, so good. So far, so good. Get my bag in here. Just in case. It's got my goodies in it. All right, we kind of got to the area that we want to get to, guys. I went ahead and grab this frog. Bunch of lilies out here. Just running this frog on top of these lilies, guys. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. It's gonna be interesting trying to set a hook in this really light kayak. For sure. Hopefully one just bites it really, really hard so I don't have to worry about setting the hook. They just swallow it. Try this open area here. All right, let's move to another spot. Hopefully I don't run into some alligators or something in here. That would be not cool. Or snakes. I don't like snakes, you'll know that. No snakes. All right, let's get this area a try. Crane working over here. Oh, come on, grass. All right, maybe the frog is a little too soon for the frog. Let's try the old Texas rig. Oh, great. The old backlash Texas rig. Man, this thing needs to be restrung for sure. All right, where are? Man, we're drifting a little too fast, guys. God, this thing's light. Too light. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm telling you. I'm not a kayak guy. That's for sure. Not a kayak guy. This kayak is so light. It's hard to stay in the spot. I mean, it's not even that heavy of winds. There we go. See if we can get something over there. Oh, something just bit it, guys. Oh my gosh. Something just bit it. Right there. Oh my gosh. No. No. Oh, yeah. Come on. Oh my gosh, guys. All right, let me reposition here. Something just bit it. I mean, I don't know what it was, but it bit it. Something's biting it. Something's biting it, guys. Oh. Ah. Oh. Guys, honestly, I didn't think I was going to get any bites. So, to get a bite, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I mean, I don't know what it was. I didn't even think I was going to be out here floating. So I'm keeping my expectations really low. Really low. Oh, man. Jeez. Okay. Well, I tried my hand at kayak fishing. Got a couple bites, but man, it's tough. This is a really small kayak, and man, it's just really hard to control. Even with the slightest of winds, it's pretty brutal. But man, it was fun. I mean, getting out here, my back's killing me. I mean, it is cool. You can get to a spots a boat can't get to. You know, like that spot I just had, or the spot I just went to. It's really cool. But man, it is a workout. I think I need a pedal drive. Oh, I'm taking on water. Taking on water. Oh boy, I am wet. I'm wet. Let's make it back in here. Semi-dry. Oh yeah, I feel it leaking down in my butt crack. Oh, yummy. Yummy. Boy, oh boy. All right, let's see if we can get out of here without getting too wet. Oh, shish kebab. Yeah. I am soaked. My butt is, and I didn't bring a towel. Guys, I hope you can appreciate the stuff I do for you guys. Get you guys good content. Why don't you guys give me a thumbs up for effort. Trying a new thing, trying kayak fishing. It is something. All right, guys, that is gonna do it for this adventure. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I know we didn't get anything, but it was just cool getting out there, trying something a little different, getting out of my comfort zone and jumping into a kayak and trying to catch some bass. It didn't work out as well as I thought it was gonna work out. Took on a little water, got a little wet, but all in all, guys, it was fun to get out here. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you like this type of content, hit that thumbs up button and also hit that bell notification so you know every time that I drop new content. If you enjoy this kind of content, if you want to see me do more kayak fishing, anything, guys, leave me a comment down below. All right, guys, until next time, we will catch ya. Bam. Oh yeah, I feel it leaking down in my butt crack. There he is. Getting big fish. Get in here.